The most endangered animals in the world. Animals in danger. Animals around the world are in great danger. One reason is because people have taken over the land these animals call home. Without space to find food or shelter, animals may become endangered. Other factors include pollution, disease, and the overhunting of a species. Fact: red wolves are just one type of endangered animal. They once roamed the southern part of the United States. Today, only about 100 red wolves live in the wild. Endangered, at risk of dying out. Pollution, harmful materials that damage the air, water, and soil. Species, a group of plants or animals that share common characteristics. The North Atlantic right whale. North Atlantic right whales are among the rarest sea creatures in the world. Killing this species is illegal today, but many whales die when they get caught in fishing nets. Others die when they run into ships. With only 350 still living, the species may soon become extinct. Fact: North Atlantic right whale babies are called calves. They measure 13 to 15 feet or 4 to 4.5 meters when they are born. Extinct, no longer existing. An extinct animal is one that has died out with no more of its kind. The pygmy raccoon. Pygmy raccoons look similar to other raccoons, but they are smaller and have golden tails. This species is found only on the island of Cozumel off Mexico's southeastern coast. Illness is among the top threats to their survival. Stray cats and dogs have brought deadly diseases such as rabies to the island. Fewer than 500 pygmy raccoons are left in the wild. Fact: pygmy raccoons are also called Cozumel raccoons and dwarf raccoons. Rabies, a deadly disease that people and animals can get from the bite of an infected animal. Jaguar. The jaguar has lost much of its habitat over time. People have cut down the forests where these large cats live. Hunting has also decreased their numbers. The species used to live in both the southwestern United States and Central and South America. About 15,000 jaguars are left today, mostly in South America. Fact: the jaguar is the third largest cat in the world. Only the tiger and lion are larger. Habitat: the natural place and conditions in which an animal or plant lives. Mountain gorilla. About 700 mountain gorillas live in Central Africa today. Many others have been the victims of hunting and human wars. Ongoing fighting in Rwanda, Uganda, and the Congo makes saving the species especially difficult. Hunting mountain gorillas is illegal, but poachers continue to kill these animals. Fact: baby mountain gorillas ride on their mothers' backs after they are about 4 months old. They continue riding up to age 3. Poacher: someone who hunts or fishes illegally. Northern sportive lemur. The northern sportive lemur is the most endangered lemur in Madagascar. Only about 20 of these animals live on the island today. Slash and burn farming has caused their habitat to shrink. This practice of burning land is thought to make the soil richer, but it destroys the homes of many animals. Fact: about 100 different lemur species live in Madagascar. Like the northern sportive lemur, many of them are endangered. The Hawaiian monk seal. About 1,100 Hawaiian monk seals are left in the wild. Many are killed when they get caught in fishing nets, but some members of this endangered species are being killed by their own kind. Scientists have discovered that groups of males sometimes attack females. This practice is called mobbing. Fact: Hawaiian monk seals do not fear people like many other wild animals do. They will not flee when a person approaches them. The pygmy tarsier. Too much attention can be a bad thing. This is the case with the pygmy tarsier in Indonesia. Tourists are drawn to this endangered species, but when people get too close, these animals become extremely tense. As a result, they will often bang their heads so hard they kill themselves. To protect the tarsiers, tourists are now taught to stay away from the animals. Fact: For more than 80 years, the pygmy tarsier was thought to be extinct. But in 2008, members of the species were found again on an island in Indonesia. The kakapo parrot. The kakapo parrot from New Zealand is the only parrot that cannot fly. Cats and rats have hunted this unique species to near extinction. Because it cannot fly, this species has a hard time getting away from predators. Fewer than 150 kakapo parrots are left in the wild today. Members of the kakapo recovery program and other groups work to increase the populations of this endangered species. Fact: So few kakapo parrots exist that researchers have given almost all of them names. Predator: an animal that hunts other animals for food.